Hi everyone. So in this session, I will explain how to set the custom values. So in the previous session we discussed, right? The moment you create a user, so it will be assigning some default values. So as per the developer's request, so if they want to change these values, so we can see in this session. The moment you create a user, so you are simply giving the username only, but in the back end all these values are assigning by your kernel, and all these values are available in this slash etc passwd. Okay, so all these things we discussed, right, in the in previous session. So now as per the developers request, so we will try to change these values. Okay, so normally user id. So here, keep in mind, guys. So there are two things. So one is, if there are if they are if you are creating a new user. Okay. So in case if you are going to create a new user with custom values, then you can use this command called user add and options. Okay. So options, then your username. This is the thing. Then another thing, if there are if there is already user is exist. Okay, so user is exist, then okay, so user is exist, then you can use this command user mode. Then rest everything same, guys. Options same for both scenarios, so you can use the same options and username. Now we will see both scenarios, so we will try to, I hope, the previous session I have created a sktech user, so we will try to change the options, change these values on exist user, and we will try to create a new user, and we will try to change set this uh, specific options, specific values for this these all options we will see. Okay, so let me log in my server. I hope I already logged in. Okay, so id is exist. Now as per the user's request, now I want to change these values, guys. id I want to change, group id also I want to change, home directory, shell, and as of now if you observe, this is a normal user, right? By default null command should be, so we will change this also. So how to change these values? So you can use hyphen u option called hyphen u and value, like let me give 40004. This is the value I want to set as uid of my user sktech. So let me go and set it, guys, and we will verify also, we will validate also. So how to validate? You simply do the tail hyphen 1 or hyphen 5 slash etc passwd. See it? From bottom 5 lines it will display. So here this is my entry, right? sktech. You can simply use hyphen 1 itself. See, now it will display the sktech details. Now let me try to change the uid. So currently there is a 5001. Now let me change. So I will see, here I have explained two scenarios, right? New user or user is exist. So sktech user is already exist. So I will go with user mode command and option hyphen u. So value, how much you want you can provide. Make sure, guys, id should be more than 1000, and also this is unique, right? So make sure if the id is already exist on assigned on other users or not. You can verify that, thereafter you can apply. Username sktech applied, you can verify. See, id has been changed. That's it. In the same way you can change the group also. So here you can go with hyphen g value and the group id. The group id and all, there is a separate session, at the time we will discuss. So let me give 1002. Okay, so there is a group session, dedicated session is there, so at the time we will discuss, guys. Now I will try to change the home directory. So home directory nothing but a desktop guys. The moment you log in user, okay, so we will verify this also after setting the password and we'll try to log in, then we will verify this also. As of now I am simply creating one directory like mkdir under temp I will create guys, because to avoid unnecessary permission denied related issues. So to avoid that, I am creating under temp slash tmp, then my sktech. Let me create like this. Now I will set this directory as a home directory of my sktech user. So option you have to use hyphen d. Okay, or else we'll do one thing. Let me copy this. Let me explain here. Okay, so let me remove this guys, sorry for inconvenience. Yes, now you can go with hyphen d, then the directory path. Okay, so directory path whatever you want to set, you can provide the directory path, then you can use the username. So let me set it guys. So user mode hyphen d, so created slash tmp and mysktech tmp mysktech. Let me do one thing. Let me copy this. That's it. Then username sktech. Now again with the tail command I will verify. See, earlier it is a slash home slash sktech, but this time slash tmp my sktech, as I have changed into the custom directory. Okay. In the same way, you can change the shell also, guys. So how to change the shell? Very easy. Hyphen s option. Then your shell name. Okay. So this is your shell name. You can go and apply. User mode. Again, I am using user mode hyphen s. So shell I will provide, guys. Bin sh I will provide. Fine. Then username sktech. That's it. You can verify. See, shell also got changed from bin bash to sh bin sh. In the same way, you can make the description also. If you observe here, there is a null value here, I mean empty value. So now I will set some description. How to set the description? You can use the option called hyphen c comment. Make a comment, guys. In the you can make a comment in between your double quotes, guys, or you can use single quotes also. Okay. So user mode hyphen c double quote, this is my own user. This is the comment I want to set here like this. So then you can use user mode hyphen c, make the comment in between double quotes or single quotes, then your username on top of each user sktech user. That's it. Verify with tail command. See here, whatever I have mentioned in the double quotes, this is showing here. That's it, guys. So whenever you get a request, user wants to change the user ID, specific ID they want to set, or specific home directory they want to set, due to the application related, due to the application reasons, we are not sure about. If they are requested, you can validate the request. If everything looks good, then you can proceed with these options. So as of now, I executed all these options on a exist user. So now I will create a new user. Okay. So now we will create the new user and I will use this new user means user add command, user add, and I will give the username. But before that, I will keep all these IDs, all these options. ID I want to set 9009 9009. Then I will home directory. So let me create one directory, guys. Okay, before executing this, let me create under temp again. Okay, so this time I will use K Kumar. Okay, so K Kumar is a directory. So I want to set this directory as a home directory. So let me add user add hyphen u 9009, then hyphen d. I will use this directory as a home directory. Okay. Then hyphen s, I will go with the bin and sh. Okay. And I will give some comment also, hyphen c. This is a database user. Something I'm giving database user. Then finally, I have to apply the username. What is the username? I will give K Kumar. This is my user ID. Let me create it, guys. Seems K Kumar already exists. So we'll do one thing. So just I will give the Kumar. Yes. Oh, it means user ID already assigned for the K Kumar. Okay. So let me check K Kumar. Yes, user ID has been created, guys. Okay. Now let me verify this. Tail hyphen 2. I will give 2 slash etc pass wd. See, this is what I expected, right? So I want to set the 9009 as a user ID, and this is the comment. And if you observe home directory also, as I mentioned here, home directory, this one. See, then bin sh also. That's it, guys. This is the way to change the options based on the user request. Okay. Thank you, guys.